Welcome everybody to this daily update on Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience, and like and subscribe and comment below your thoughts. Let's go ahead from gold from a monthly perspective. Monthly perspective now, gold is starting to retrace a bit. We have 10 more days in this month. Weekly made a nice lower wick, and now we're coming back to our opening area on a weekly time frame. I still believe that this weekly candle should continue after this rejection, since there are no more uncertainties on the market and it's very difficult to push price higher on these levels. But if we come and break its own highs, we can see for potential buys to fill this wick, but I don't think that will happen. However, sells below here are very convenient. Daily closed hour candle on a daily time frame. So I believe once we flip break the lows, we should be able to continue very nicely to the downside, as long as we don't break these highs here. On the 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour, however, the situation is different, because we found resistance in this region where we previously found, and then we had the new leg up. We tapped that level, we failed to break below these levels, and then we're moving back up. However, I believe we need to be very cautious around this level. If we break this level, we can look for buys till here, because we can just tap in and then we can continue lower, or we can just tap in, break above, retest, and break the highs, and then continue to the upside. So gold is a bit tricky, but we need to be cautious because we have very good areas to trade with. We can see also as soon as we find signs of rejections here, because we made the low here, price came back waiting for resistance to retest this low. Let's go ahead quickly on 2-hour and 1-hour time frame potentially to see if something can be found. On the smaller time frame, yeah, for buys, nothing until 2011, 2012. We need clean closure above this area to break these highs, and then you can have some buys still here to mirror this clean traffic. But here is like small area and stop loss is already too big. For sells, if we have sells below here, they are safer to retest this low, or closure below here to mirror this clean traffic below this level 1975, but that is 200 300 pips almost, or yeah, 300 pips. So it's not very feasible to have sells today below here, but maybe below here we will have some sells, or we can come up, tap in here, show rejection, close back inside, and then we can take some sells with stop loss above this level. Risky but very big move, room for the downside to move. So I'm favoring sells obviously on gold. Let's go ahead on GJ. GJ monthly is moving bullish, weekly closed also bullish. Now we're breaking the highs of the previous weekly. So on a weekly analysis video, I say that we will look for buys for tapping into this level, so we can, technically the trend is bullish. The daily yesterday closed very nice bullish at resistance. We tried to move to the downside, but then we start moving bullish to the upside. We have this clean traffic till this region here, till this resistance. We broke already, I think almost we broke these highs here, so we should be able with a clean closure to move to the upside easily. So now the 4-hour close very nice. If this 4-hour comes and break these highs, then we should be able to have a candle something like this that mirrors these traffic to the left side. It's a bit tricky, but because of this previous 4-hour very strong closing above all these resistance, I believe a break of the highs here we will have a push for buys. For sells, however, I don't see anything unless we come and broke this level to tap this level right over here. So GJ is very easy today to trade at, in my opinion. Let's go quickly ahead on the 1 hour also and check what's the 1 hour time frame telling us. Yeah, the 1 hour we have found some resistance, so we need a clean closure above here. 1 hour closure potentially, and then 30-minute breaking the highs to continue to the upside. For sells, again, for sells, maybe some risky sells below here, but safer sells, I believe it's below here, because there is all so much rejection point that you never know when it's like this is the whole fake out, so this is not even clean traffic. So I would prefer sells below here and buys above here with a closure and then a break of the high of the closure candle. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I see you guys on the daily roundup video tonight to see what was the outcome of this analysis. Bye bye.